Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English channel. Learning English here is simple, fun, and real. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. How are you today, Alex?
I'm good, thank you. I feel motivated today.
Motivated. Wow, that is a strong word.
Yes, I know. I don't always feel motivated, but today's a good day.
That's great. I feel good too. A little tired, but happy.
Tired but happy. That's a good combination.
Yes, it is. So, Alex, what are we talking about today?
Today, we have a very interesting topic.
Oh, really?
Yes. Today, we are talking about dreams and goals.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too. Everyone has dreams.
Yes. Big dreams, small dreams, crazy dreams,
Yes, crazy dreams too.
and goals. Goals are very important.
That's right. Dreams are what we want, and goals are how we get there.
Wow, Alex, that sounds very smart.
Thank you. I practiced that sentence.
I can see that.
But before we start, we have a small request.
Yes, we do.
If you enjoy our podcast, please give us a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to Practice English channel.
It really helps us grow.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. Okay, Alex, let's start with a simple question.
I'm ready.
What is your dream?
Oh, that is a big question.
I know.
I think my dream is to live a simple and happy life.
That is a beautiful dream.
Thank you. I don't need a very big house or a lot of money.
Really?
No, I just want peace, good health, and time with people I love.
That is very nice. Very calm. What about you, Sarah? What is your dream? My dream is a little different.
Oh, I want to hear it.
I want to travel the world.
Wow.
Yes, I want to visit many countries, meet new people, and learn about different cultures.
That sounds exciting.
It is. I want to wake up in a new city, maybe Paris, maybe Tokyo.
Wow, Sarah, that sounds like a movie.
Yes, maybe my life will be a movie one day.
I will watch it.
So we have two different dreams.
Yes.
Your dream is calm.
And your dream is adventure.
Exactly.
And both are good.
Yes.
There is no right dream.
That's very important. Everyone is different.
Yes, some people want a quiet life.
And some people want excitement.
And some people want both.
Okay, Alex, now let me ask you something.
Okay.
What is your dream? Is it easy or difficult?
Good question. I think it is simple, but not always easy.
Why?
Because life is busy. Work, stress, problems.
Yes, that's true.
Sometimes it is hard to feel calm and happy every day.
I understand that.
So even a simple dream can be difficult.
That's very true.
What about your dream, Sarah? Is it easy?
No, not really.
Why not?
Because traveling the world needs money, time, and planning.
Ah, yes. Money.
Yes, money is important.
I wish traveling was free.
Me too. So we both have dreams,
Yes,
but dreams are not enough.
that's right.
We need something else.
Goals.
Exactly. So we talked about dreams.
Yes, dreams are nice.
Very nice. So now we need to talk about goals.
Ah, yes, the serious part.
Yes, a little serious, but also very important. So, Alex, what is a goal?
A goal is a plan.
A plan?
Yes, a dream is something you want, and a goal is how you make it real.
That's a great explanation.
Thank you. This time I did not practice.
I can see that. Okay, let me try.
Go ahead.
My dream is to travel the world.
Yes.
So my goal is to save money.
Perfect.
And maybe learn languages.
Very good.
And maybe find a job that allows travel.
Wow, Sarah, that is a very clear plan.
Thank you, I'm trying.
What about you, Alex?
My dream is a calm and happy life.
Yes.
So my goal is to reduce stress.
How do you do that?
Good question. I'm still learning.
Me too.
I try to wake up early.
Oh no, not early.
Yes, early. And I try to exercise.
Exercise? Wow.
Yes, just a little. Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay, that sounds better.
And I try to spend less time on my phone.
Oh, that is very difficult.
Very, very difficult. So goals are like small steps,
Yes, exactly.
not one big thing.
But many small things.
That's very important for English learners, too.
Oh yes, very important.
For example,
Yes,
many people say, I want to speak English.
that is a dream.
Yes. But what is the goal?
Maybe practice every day?
Yes.
Maybe learn 10 words every day?
Good.
Maybe listen to a podcast?
Like this one?
Yes, like this one.
So learning English is also a goal.
Yes, a very good goal.
But many people stop
That's true. Why?
because they think it is too hard
Or too long.
or they feel tired.
Yes, I understand that feeling.
Sometimes I say, I will start tomorrow.
Ah, yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a very popular word,
Yes, I will do it tomorrow.
but tomorrow never comes.
Exactly.
So what is the solution?
Start small.
Small?
Yes, very small.
Like what?
Like 5 minutes a day.
Only 5 minutes?
Yes, but every day.
That sounds easy.
That's the idea.
So don't say, I will study 3 hours.
Yes, that is too much.
Say, I will study 10 minutes.
That is possible.
And then tomorrow, again.
And again.
And again.
This is how goals work.
Step by step.
Slowly.
But surely. Wow, Alex, you're very wise today.
Only today.
Okay, let me ask you something.
Okay.
What is one small goal you have right now?
Good question.
I think I want to read more.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, but not a big book.
A small book.
Good idea.
Maybe 5 pages a day?
Perfect. That is a real goal. What about you, Sarah?
My goal is to save money. Ah, yes, for travel.
Yes. So I try not to buy coffee every day.
Oh, no, not coffee.
Yes, it is very hard.
That is a big sacrifice.
So we all have goals.
Yes.
Some are easy,
Some are difficult.
but all are important. So, we have dreams
Yes,
and we have goals.
that's right.
But there's one more thing.
Oh, what is it?
Problems.
Yes, many problems.
Sometimes things are not easy.
That's true.
Sometimes we feel tired.
Or lazy.
Or we just don't want to do anything.
Yes, that happens to me a lot.
Me too. Sometimes I say, today I will study English.
And then?
I watch videos all day.
Yes, that is very real.
Or sometimes
Yes,
we start something.
and we stop.
That is the worst.
Yes, we feel excited in the beginning.
And then we lose energy.
That's very common.
So what can we do?
Good question.
I think we need to remember our dream.
Yes.
When you feel tired,
Think about why you started.
that is powerful.
For example,
Yes?
when you don't want to study English,
Think, why do I want English?
maybe for a job,
Maybe for travel?
maybe to talk to new people.
Yes, that gives you energy again.
Also, don't be too hard on yourself.
Oh, that is very important.
Yes, if you miss one day,
It's okay.
just start again.
Exactly.
Not perfect.
Just consistent. Wow, I like that.
Me too. And another thing.
Yes?
And celebrate small wins.
Small wins?
Yes, small success.
Like what?
Like learning 5 new words.
Or speaking one full sentence.
Or understanding a podcast.
That's true. These are big things.
Sometimes we think they are small.
But they are not.
They are steps forward.
Yes. Every step matters.
So don't give up.
Never.
Even if it is slow.
Keep going.
Because one day,
You will see the result. Wow, Sarah. This is very inspiring.
thank you. I feel inspired too.
Okay, before we finish,
Yes?
let's ask our listeners a question.
Oh, good idea.
So, here is the question.
What is your dream?
And what is one small goal you have today?
Write your answer in the comments.
Yes, we would love to read your dreams.
And remember,
Your dream is possible,
step by step.
day by day.
Thank you so much for listening to Practice English Channel.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like the video
and don't forget to subscribe.
and share this with your friends.
Okay, Sarah,
Yes, Alex?
I think it's time to work on our goals.
Oh no, not now.
Yes, now.
Okay, today.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.